Hello, I make this video because of a comment from one of my subscribers. I think it is this comment you see here. You say that I make this video just to sell my course. The recent video I made, it just to sell my course. Let me tell you something. My course is only for $250. I made at most with the pay-per-call without selling my course over 10,000 every single month. I don't sell even 10 courses per month. How come I make my video just to sell my course? That doesn't have any sense. Just see all my previous video. Go back, watch all my previous video. You will see I'm not someone that is promoting my course. I'm helping you, okay? Because you see, for people who do coaching with me, the coaching is it's for $1,500. So it's 10 times more expensive than my course. So why should I make a video of me making $3,000, my last video, because I want to sell my course? That's make no sense. I don't make money only with pay-per-call, guys. I make money with other businesses. I am a real estate investor. I have property that I'm managing. I'm making more than 20,000 every single month without affiliate marketing. So you see, I don't even have time to post video for you because I have other businesses that give me a lot of money. Sometimes when I have a free time, I make a video for you. So if you stay here, you keep procrastinating, talking shit, things that doesn't have any sense, and you don't take action to make your first $1,000. If you don't go watch my all previous videos to see how you can start making money with pay-per-call, I'm not responsible. Don't come below my comment section to comment nonsense, okay? Because I am a richer man in my country. Someone living with 10,000 per month, you are rich. I'm from Haiti. I'm from a poor country, but with my brain, with affiliate marketing, I was able to make these money. So guys, it's your turn to make it. Don't procrastinate. Go down below, click to buy my training that's gonna teach you step by step how you can start making your first 1,000 every single week. It works. A lot of people try this, they make a lot of money. Don't procrastinate. Go down below, click on my training, because let me tell you, pay-per-call is a business where you just make someone grab a phone number. If you can use any source, any medium to make someone grab the phone and make a phone call, you can be free. You will have financial freedom, because making money online is one of the best way you can escape your 9-to-5 job. If you keep procrastinate, watch a lot of videos and keep commenting bad things, and you don't see your life, like me, you see, today I was in a meeting, in a business meeting. You see how I dress? I don't have, I'm not begging for your $250 for my course. I'm just helping you because it's a cheaper course. A lot of courses that don't make you money, they are over $1,000. Mine is only $250. Let's say, you see, for this 2025, I will increase my cost to $500 because I don't want people like you to comment, people like you to make this bad comment, and even if you don't have any money to buy, now I give it to you with a fair price. You're still commenting, giving bad comments. You don't know if I'm trying to help. Pay-per-call is one of the best business. I repeat myself. You just make someone grab the phone number and you make money. If you can create TikTok account, you can outsource videos from other sources related to the offer you are promoting. Just keep posting at least 10 to 20 videos per day. You take from Instagram and you post them on TikTok. Just put your face next to the video and boom, you can have people calling and they will make you money. Because if someone call for one of your offer, you have like 5 person per day with $50, that's $250 every single day. If you have 10 person per day calling using your link or your phone number, you will make 500 per day. And if you can have 20 person per day that can call and they need the service, it's 1,000 per day. So in a month, it's over 30,000. You will make more than me. I showed you in my previous video how I use TikTok and I was making $3,000. You just comment that I want to sell my course. Come on. I'm making 100 times more than the price of the course I'm selling. Because with coaching alone, people who used to take my coaching, they pay me $1,500. And per week, I have more than 4 persons per day, per week, who take my coaching. That's more than 6,000. I'm not talking about the money that I make from the ads that I'm running for pay-per-call. And I don't talk about my money from real estate because I'm a real estate investor. So guys, click on the link, buy the training. Don't listen to this guy who make this comment, because this training can change your life, as it is something that changed the life of thousands of people in Africa, Nigeria, a lot of African countries. So guys, click below, buy the training, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.